Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to check traffic came from different or top devices model in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already installed this plugin and activated. On left side you see statistics, so click on it. So we are in our view, and then scroll down, you see multiple options, and then you see top devices model, unknown, iPhone, iPad, others. You see percentage, also you see visitor count, and then you see last 30 day. Now select. So you can select date range according to requirement. You see multiple option, and then you see view top model, so click on it. So we are in device model, and then scroll down, you see multiple model, iPhone, visitor count 395, iPad, Galaxy S8 Plus, Nexus 5, Moto G7. Now click on next, page 2, and then scroll down, you see Galaxy A41, visitor count 3, you see Pixel 2, visitor count 3, you see multiple devices model. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.